Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge boards on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and give your sign-in details, then sign in into your Pinterest account. Now on the bottom of your screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. Go to Saved, then you have to select Boards on there. Now once you select Boards, all you have to do is find the boards that you want to merge, open one of them. Then on the top right corner, you can see there's a three-dot menu. Tap on it and from the bottom you can see three options appearing: Edit Board, Merge and Archive. Tap on Merge, then select another board that you want to merge that board with. Now all you have to do is select Merge, then Pinterest is going to merge your boards. And guys, that's it. That's how you merge boards on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.